Oh my god, guys, I can't believe it. We've got our Temu package at last. Yes! Come on. It's a celebration. Come on. Finally, oh my god, I cannot tell you how long I've been waiting for this bloody package. And finally we have got it. Now, inside here is a creature that might freak some of you out, so if you don't like creepy crawlies, please you need to look away from the screen, or preferably skip this video because this may not be your cup of tea. So now, as you know, inside here I don't like this specific creature. However, it does appear when I'm a celebrity, get me out of here, and I thought it would make a great item. Now, I was going to go for 60 times 60. I left it far too late to order, which is why it took so long to get here. It was a pre-order as well. I decided to reduce it to 30 times 30 because we've got about a week and 2 days to get it finished. So I don't think 60 times 60 we're going to get done in time, but we're going to chuck in a few lives as well to speed it up. Now, inside here we have a piece of cellophane. Wow, okay, so inside here, I just hope they've not rushed it because they had to make it, and oh my god, here we go. I've never done anything like this before. Do you know what it is? It's a spider. Yeah, oh my god, I don't even like spiders, so looking at this is going to be difficult. Now, I can look at spiders. If I know it's not real, I'm fine with it, but if it's real, I have a problem with it. But in here, it's a 30 times 30 of a tarantula. Now, I'm a Celebrity Get Me Out of Here has changed their logo a bit. You used to be able to see like little creepy crawlies on the Tombola game. That seems to have stopped on the advert side now. But there was a tarantula that always used to crawl along with the creepy crawlies. And as you know, in last night's trial, Angry Ginge had to pick up some huntsman spiders. So I tried to get huntsman spider and they didn't have it. So the next thing I could go for is this cute little tarantula. Now, I don't like tarantulas, as you know. I don't like spiders, but apparently tarantulas are quite gentle. Now, I just love this. I thought this would tie in really lovely because you've got the leaves, you've got the little bark of the spider sitting on it, and then obviously this looks like a little waterfall or something, you know, like a creek or something. You know, I'm a Celebrity Get Me Out of Here where they go in the water. It was funny last night because the other night they I think Shona went into the water and they had leeches in there, so they all quickly got out. But yeah, this is gonna fly because look at all this colour block that we've got. So let's take a look at the stick here. I'm so happy with this. Oh wow, this is a very thick plastic. Blimey. Oh yeah, the stick's great, but that plastic is so thick. Wow, I've never seen plastic that thick before. But yeah, look at that. I'm delighted. It's so clean. Could you imagine the 60 times 60? In a way, I'm pleased I didn't get that size because it would have freaked me out. But as you can see, 20 colours here, and we've like got no time to waste on this. We've got to get this moving because we've only got a week left. So that is our spider. It's not too scary as well, you know. It blends in nice with the wood as well. You got the little orange bits here, and apparently their feet are sticky because that's how they like climb the wall. There is a spider called a pink-toed spiker, spider even, but I don't know what type of species that is. And then here they've even included like a shemetic for us, so that's really nice because you don't often get that. So oh no, yeah, oh no. Okay, do you thinking what I'm thinking? Well, you'll see in a minute. Now, for most of us diamond painters, I don't know about you folks, but most of us do not like these bags. These are them really small soppy bags, which I'm okay with, but it's the fact that they're like all individual bags. It's going to take ages to pick up, but look at all of that. So let's get this out a minute. we have got a ginormous belt of these black, far too many to count. We've got our Shemetic here, which is so lovely of them to do, as you can see. Nice little Shemetic there. And then I'm going to put these on here because otherwise I'm going to lose this. But you've got the reddy colour, you've got green. Oh, that's a very nice blue font. Look at that. It's like a metallic blue there. But that's green. We've got red. We've got an orange. We've got a sort of beigey colour. We've got this one. We've got some pinks. We've got a green, a grey, a couple of beiges there, browns. Why they can't all put them on the same, you know, on the chain, I don't know. Pinks there, green, another green, brown, another sort of browny colour, a brown, a pink, and a brown. And obviously your tray, pen and wax. Now the plan of action is to launch this tomorrow, so we'll be doing obviously the first whip and chat from tomorrow. The reason being is because obviously it takes about a day or so to kit these up, because I have to get the trays dekitted from other projects, wash them through the washer, and then they have to go onto the dryer to be dried. I normally just rest them on the radiator and they dry, and then I have to kit them up, code them up. It's very time consuming, so this won't be on the channel today for a whip and chat, but I'm so delighted, no further delays, and we can now start to bring out this lovely spider. So this will be our focus up until Wednesday, and then we'll try and bring that frog back in just for a day or so. But yeah, unfortunately I have really messed up the November theme. I've not really got as much critters as I would have liked to. It's my fault for ordering it far too late. So you never know, we could do another series, and hopefully better plan it next time. But anyway, if you want to get this for yourself, bear in mind it was a pre-order, so you might be waiting a while, and it may, you know, come off of pre-order now. But they do various sizes. The largest is, I think, a 60x60, but I thought that was just absolutely stunning, absolutely fantastic. So yeah, that's our next critter, the spider. But anyway, thank you very much for watching. Please remember to like, share, subscribe. Super happy it's come now, because I've been literally been an agonizing waiting for this, and I'm so over the moon with it. It's so clear. And yeah, coming up tomorrow we'll start the first whip and chat. We'll probably go live from Monday and start to roll the lives out Monday. And because it's such a, you know, we've got limited time on this, I will probably do a 2-hour live instead of a 1 hour, just to really push it. But anyway, thank you for watching. Take care. We'll see you very soon for the whip and chat coming up tomorrow. Bye bye for now.